Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great expandable travel trailer value from Parkway RV Center. Today we're going to look at one of my favorite types of campers, especially this time of year. Everybody's getting ready for spring. It's late winter, pretty days. Everybody's wanting to go camping, wanting to take the kids out, grandkids or whatever. You want a lightweight camper that can sleep everybody, room for the kids to bring friends and cousins or whoever and more. Well, this is that camper, folks. This is a 2015 Jayco J-Feather Ultralight. Model number is A23F. Now, folks, this unit can sleep up to 10 people. And what's unique about this camper, when you're set up camping, you're 27 and a half, almost 28 feet long. But when you're towing it, you're only 23 foot long, including the tongue, and you only weigh 4,469 pounds. So you get the best of both worlds in many ways. You get a pop-up, so you still get that back to nature feel. Pretty nice. You've got screens. You can unzip the inside and have screen to keep the bugs out, let fresh air in, enjoy the great outdoors. But you got the solidity of a travel trailer, and you don't have the setup hassles of a pop-up. 10-15 minutes, you're completely set up, ready to camp with one person. And the other benefits, the best of both worlds, is you're getting a bigger camper with a lot of space, but you're towing a smaller camper. So you don't have to have a big V8 gas guzzler pickup truck or big full-size SUV. At 4,500 pounds, you've got a lot more range of vehicles that you can tow with. And this camper looks great, folks. Got all fiberglass exterior. It's got, of course, Jayco. Many of you know 80% of their workforce in 2015 were either Amish or Mennonite. This was right before they sold to Thor. So you still got that old school Jayco construction that made them famous. And in fact, I believe this is the 45th year anniversary in 2015. So you're talking about a brand that stood the test of time. And they're the best-selling lightweight camper of all time. Got a little hitch on the back, perfect for a bicycle rack. Of course, I hooked into 30 amp power. What's neat about this floor plan is technically you have 4 pop-outs or 4 slide-outs. You've got 3 canvas pop-outs, and you can see the canvas looks great. And over here, if we can squeeze through here, you've got a power side slide-out, and it's a 36-inch deep slide. Got the alloy wheels. You know, one good thing about this Jayco, it's got their Magnum Truss roof system. You know, that roof is actually rated for 4,500 pounds of pressure. Theoretically, you should be able to turn this camper upside down and it should still hold its form. That's 50% stronger than any other roof in this class of travel trailers. So definitely very well built, very solid built camper. Pass-through storage. Got the aluminum frame, of course. Let's look inside. And to me, folks, it's still amazing. You get this kind of space in and you're only towing a 23-foot camper that weighs under 4,500 pounds. You've got all the amenities of a full-size camper, but you've got the compactness of a smaller one. So it's really got some cool features. Let's go over it from front to back. Front bed, this is a heated mattress. It's got the heated mattress controls inside. Queen bed, very comfortable. Denver's Mattress Company makes these mattresses exclusively for Jayco. You've got a sleeper sofa that makes a bed. You can sleep 2 here. Table booth folds down into a bed. You can sleep 2 more. You've got Amish built cabinets, Amish built woodwork around the slides, Amish and Mennonite cabinets and woodwork. No carpet. So Jayco knew, hey, if you're going to buy this floor plan, you're going to have a bunch of kids running in and out. Why ruin carpet every couple of years? Only carpet in it is in the slide out right here. That's it. You've got rooftop air, 13,500 BTU unit. You got an 8 cubic foot Norcold refrigerator freezer. Already cold. Got a furnace. Stovetop and oven. You don't hardly get that on many lightweight models. Got a nice big double basin sink. High point microwave. Got another bed right here. This is a queen size bed. And you got, of course, privacy curtains for all the beds. So at night you're not going to be fully exposed for everybody. You got a queen bed in the back. Curtains back there. This one's got a fan on it. Of course, they all three have the lights. Fully enclosed side bathroom. Little neo-angle shower with a skylight. Bathroom sink, bathroom toilet. Got some, I'd say somebody's added these, but got some nice storage racks that somebody's added. Some hooks to hang stuff on. So, hey, it's nice. It really is, folks. Backsplash looks good. Cabinets. Everything just like it should. And this is a big old camper. To weigh this kind of weight, 4,469 pounds, folks. For this kind of room is amazing. And I'll be honest with you, folks. People sometimes email us about when we have these, which is very rarely, by the way. Hybrid expandable campers are pretty hard to find, and we try to get every one that we can find that meets our criteria for condition, and they're just few and far between. But I have people ask me all the time when we have these, how well do these things stay hot and cool? You let me know an hour before you get here. I'll come out here, turn the air conditioner or the heat on. It will run you out of here by the time you get here. You'll be very, very surprised how well these things hold the heat and hold the air conditioning. I mean, to the fact that I can guarantee you this. You can get this RV hotter or colder than you can your own house. That's how well these things heat and cool. And they're very well insulated for what they are. The floor looks great. Ceiling looks great. No odors in here. It's not been smoked in. There's no mold or mildew, water odors, mothball odors, nothing like that. I mean, the camper just shows so little use. It's ridiculous. But it's half price. Less than half price what it cost new back in 2015. So this is the way I look at it. If you'd bought this thing brand new in 2015, paid 10-15% down, you would still owe at least $22,000 on this camper after paying on it for 4 years. Be out of a warranty. Owing $9,000 more than you can buy this one for. Let somebody else take the hit, folks. This will do everything a brand new 2019 will do for less than half price. 11.9, and you don't just get this beautiful Jayco J-Feather 23F for 11.9. This unit's going to be fully inspected by my certified RV techs after purchase. Now, we've already done a preliminary check. Air, fridge, lights work, awning's good. Obviously, the slide out and the pop outs are good. But we're going to take it one step further. We're going to check all your plumbing systems, check all your appliances. Radio works. I had it on earlier when I was going through it. We're going to check your holding tanks. We're going to check your outside bays, your furniture, make sure your beds fold out like they're supposed to, and much more. For 11.9, everything on this camper will be functional. And if we have to repair anything, of course, that's done for the 11.9 price. There's no additional charge because we spent more than we planned on checking it out. So definitely, we keep things. That's kind of our unofficial motto: easy, simple, and done. We retail 500 to 600 used units a year because we keep things easy, simple, done. No haggling. You get a bunch of benefits that you don't get at other RV dealers for a price that's thousands under what other RV dealers are selling the same year, make, and model for. If you want to pull in ADA, it's right at $15,000 retail with no added options. I've got it for $11.9, and I've got features and benefits that you have to pay extra on top of the sales price at other dealers for. You get the inspection. After this unit's been inspected, of course, my cleaning crew cleans it inside and out. Service manager Gordy does his final walkthrough. If he's happy with everything, what he does is he'll call you, set up an appointment for you to pick up your new to you Jayco J-Feather. Once you arrive here at the appointed time, the tech that checked it out knows it better than anybody is going to give you a personal one-on-one RV orientation. He's going to go through it, and you're welcome to record them with your phone or camera, answer any questions you have, show you anything you had to repair, show you everything on it works and how to operate everything. Help you hook it to your tow vehicle. If you purchase any kind of safety equipment, of course, we'll assist you with that as well. And we do have a full array of sway controls, distribution bars, and more in stock. And if you want a price on that, ask your salesperson. He'll help you out with that. All that's included for $11.9. Plus, we give you at no additional charge a 90-day nationwide limited warranty that we actually purchase on your behalf, accepted at a network of dealers nationwide. And you may ask why we do that instead of just giving you a 90-day in-house warranty. Well, here's the thing, folks. The internet has changed the way people buy and sell RVs, especially used ones. Used to, we just sold local customers. That was it. Now, thanks to the internet, people travel from all over the country and further to buy campers from us. I mean, it's no big deal if somebody travels 2,500 or 3,000 miles away to buy from us. We had people here from California last week that bought. We had some people from New York. Of course, tons of people from Florida. Everybody used to think Florida's a weird place to go to buy RVs. Now everybody in Florida is coming up here. So, like I said, distance is not a factor anymore when you've got a deal like this on the internet. People travel from all over the country. They make a little trip out of it. They have fun with it. So that's why we buy the warranty, because in the rare occasion that you do have a warranty claim in the first 3 months, which is very rare, especially on one this late a model, you've got options on where you can bring it to. You can certainly bring it back to us anytime, but if you live 1,000 miles away, that might not be very convenient. So you would go to a dealer that's closer to you in the network. And it's worked great, folks. We've had good service out of them, and customers have been really happy. Unlike for sale by owners where you get nothing, you get peace of mind this way. So between the warranty and the inspection and the orientation, all your fears are covered. Everybody worries about inheriting somebody else's problem. Well, heck, folks, if we don't show up during all that, then there's obviously not a problem. So people worry about paying too much. Get online, look up what this camper is bringing to other RV dealerships, then ask that RV dealership about any fees they charge that we don't. Our prices are haggle-free, but they're out the door, plus applicable sales tax. That's it. No dock fees, prep fees, inspection fees. Ask the other dealers if theirs includes a warranty and an orientation and an inspection that's as thorough as we give you on ours. And by the way, folks, make sure you get a copy of everything that we inspect and guarantee for the price you pay before you decide to buy it. You're going to be impressed, folks. There's not many dealers out there, if any, that take a used RV and put it through the paces like we do. But, folks, used RVs is our business. Has been for 51 years. So we've got it down to an art. Other dealers mostly sell new with just a few used. I've got one brand of new travel trailers and 150 used ones out here. So definitely, we've got the inventory, and 95+% of what we sell is used, and have for over half a century. So let our experience work for you. We keep our prices down by keeping our overhead down, and it just works out for everyone, folks. We don't try to get rich on everybody that comes in the door. We're family owned and operated for 3 generations, and we've always been here for you, and we're not going anywhere, folks. We're going to be the place you've seen your kids and grandkids and great-grandkids too when they get ready to buy their RV. And we have repeat customers pretty much every day. That's how you stay in business for half a century, folks. You keep things easy, simple, done. No fees, no haggling, no commission salespeople. Everybody here is on salary. Everybody works together. Makes it so much more pleasant buying experience because you have no sales pressure. You have no games or gimmicks because my guys get paid the same whether you buy one or not. So, as far as their paycheck's concerned, they're here for your benefit, not for theirs. And, of course, they'll answer any questions you have. Feel free to give them a call, 706-965-7929. Number's answered 24/7. We have an after-hours answering service, and if they can't help you, of course, make sure you give them accurate contact information, and one of my non-commissioned sales team members will call you back the next day. Or the next business day, I should say. Call ahead before coming to look. Make sure it's still available. I don't think this one is going to make it to the weekend. Today's Monday evening. Really think this one's going to, if I get it on tonight, it'll probably sell here in the next couple of days. got some pretty weather for the next few days, and people are going to be out looking. We've had a busy day. Today's Monday, and this is the kind of stuff people look for, folks, this time of year. And like I said, this is something that pretty much anybody could find a use for and enjoy. It's affordable. $11,900 plus applicable sales tax. And by the way, folks, if you want to know how much your sales tax will be, when and where you have to pay it, it varies on the state you live in and how you're paying for it, whether it's cash, trade, or finance. Make sure that you ask your salesperson for an estimate on that so there's no surprises. Everybody's got to pay it in some form or fashion. So make sure you get that information before deciding to buy. And also ask your salesperson what the current lead time is for a used travel trailer checkout. It shouldn't be, this is something we can get done very quickly. But anyway, yeah, this is a nice little camper, folks. And I say little, this thing's actually huge on the inside when it's folded up, but it's little when you're towing it, so pretty cool. You don't have no cranks and no pulleys and no steel and none of that stuff you have to worry about. Just, you know, what's cool about these hybrids too is people don't realize that you don't have to fold all these beds out. You don't have to fold any of them. Like this front bed, when it's folded up, that mattress becomes your wall. So if you're just pulling in somewhere for the night, you can push a button and your slide goes out, and you can put your sofa and your table bed out and sleep 4 without setting up any of these beds. Or you can set up 1 bed or 2 beds. You don't have to set up all 3 of them. So you've got versatility, and I love these things, and I don't know why they don't build more of them. To be honest with you, but hey, it just makes that much more of a high demand on used ones. The way I look at it, and like I said, this will do everything. $26,000 2019 will do for less than half price. Parkway RV Center, 706-965-7929. Evenings and Sundays, that number's answered as well. Keep in mind, folks, we are open 6 days a week, Monday through Friday, 9 to 6 Eastern Time, Saturday, 9 to 5 Eastern Time. Closed on Sunday. That's Faith and Family Day. We're open, of course, our website. Make sure you check it out. I got a little pack full of information. I'll have a factory sales brochure, weights. I'll have tank sizes, exact measurements, and so much more information. Pictures. I'll have a factory sales brochure. I'll have applications for financing, and yes, financing is available with approved credit and minimum 10% down payment, cash or trade equity. I've got trade-in appraisal forms. If you've got a trade-in, we can get that process started. ParkwayRVCenter.com, or if you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the video description below, and in the first paragraph there will be a link that'll take you to my used travel trailer page or hybrid page. So click on that and you'll get a lot more information than what's on the YouTube video. I'm one of those people. I'm kind of the opposite of most marketing managers at other RV dealerships. I don't believe in too much information. I believe an internet shopper wants as much information as humanly possible before coming out to look. Feel free to come down, check it out in person. Just call ahead, make sure it's available, make sure it doesn't have a deposit on it. I never delete my YouTube videos, so check the date when it was shot. But even if it's been a year or 2 ago that this video was shot, please call. We may have something similar to it for a similar price. You know, when you go through 500 to 600 used RVs a year like we do, your inventory changes fast. And especially this time of year, everybody's getting spring fever. This is a great camper for the family, you know, for large groups of